It's your girl Naila now, and I'm back with another one. Today I'm going to be telling y'all how to start working with companies, how to get noticed by brands, how to get free stuff and all that. So if y'all want to know, stay tuned. Sponsored videos on my Instagram, YouTube for hair companies and stuff like that. And people always ask me, like, how do I get started working with companies? How do they notice me? Like, I reach out to them? They reach out to me? How? Today I'm gonna be telling y'all how. Don't mind my makeup around here. A mask on when I went to McDonald's. We're not gonna pay that no mind. But anyway, y'all, let me tell y'all the tea. So the first thing that you need to do, like the first thing is you need to put something in your bio so that people will know that you're an influencer or you do promo or things like that. Like, put whatever you do in your bio. I got an influencer, beauty enthusiast, YouTuber, and brand ambassador. So that's the things that, I want brands to know that I can offer when they come to my Instagram. The second thing you need to do is make sure you have like multiple social media platforms. Like, I got Twitter, but I don't really know how to work it. But try to use everything you can use. Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube channel. Like, make sure you have a lot of platforms so that the product that they're sending you, you can promote it to multiple people on different platforms. You get what I'm saying? Because everybody that got Instagram might not have YouTube. So you can promote the product to different crowds of people. That's what I was trying to say. For YouTube, you want to make sure you have a nice profile picture, nice lighting, preferably a headshot, a good banner. My banner is plain. I don't have like things that I do, but you can tell from looking at my banner what I do because I got a beat face on the banner. And it's just super girly. You want to make sure that your thumbnails are bomb. Like, they need to look good. When companies find you off YouTube, all they know you from is your YouTube videos, your thumbnails. They don't know your Instagram and all that type of stuff. So if they see you got bomb thumbnails, you got bomb content, you got a nice personality, people like you, got your business email in your description box, they're gonna email you and you're gonna get sponsorship. So make sure you put hard work and effort into your thumbnails, your editing, all that, because all that counts. For Instagram, you want to make sure you have like a headshot for your profile picture because Instagram profile pictures be looking so little and you can't like tap them and blow them up. So you want to make sure you have a high quality face shot on your profile picture for Instagram. The business email in your bio. You need to have a business email just to deal with all your business stuff. Separate from your YouTube email, separate from just a business email that you can give people so they'll know how to contact you in reference to business and business only. So I got my business email in my bio and I got the link to my YouTube in my bio. So you want to make sure you link your latest YouTube video or your channel or whatever in your bio, so if companies find you off Instagram, they can just click the link, go check out your YouTube channel. And the people who follow you, people who find your page, anything, they can just go click the link, get your channel, see if they like you, subscribe, everything like that. So yeah, take advantage of all the tools that Instagram are making. All these new tools, take advantage of them. When you posting your actual pictures, you gotta make sure you in a nice scenery, bright background. Take my pictures outside. I find a nice little background and I try to go before 7:30 because that's when the sun starts to go down. Now, when it get cold outside, you're gonna have to go way earlier than that because y'all know it be getting dark as fuck, early as fuck. And I'm like, what the fuck? So yeah, make sure it's nice quality. I use my iPhone. Some people use cameras, but when I get another camera, because I had an old Canon, but I don't really use it no more. So when I get a new Canon, I'm getting a G7X. I'm saving for it. I'm coming for you. Period. For now, I use my iPhone 10 or I use my mother iPhone 11 sometimes. But you can take pictures on your iPhone. You don't need a camera. Just take pictures on your iPhone and nice lighting, and the picture's gonna look like good quality. I'm gonna do a whole separate video about how I edit my pictures for Instagram because people be always asking me how I make them look so, professional. And that's another video for another time. And comment if y'all want that video because I might just do it and give y'all the tea. Make sure that your pictures are just like aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Like, they just catch people's eye and it just look good. Like, you don't want to take pictures in a dark house with stuff all in the background. You know, y'all know what I'm saying. And you want to have on like cute outfits. You can't just take pictures with like a t-shirt and shorts. Like, you gotta have cute little outfits. You know, you gotta be somebody's outfit inspo, like hair inspo, somebody makeup inspo. You gotta have, even if you don't wear makeup, you don't have to, but I do. So I, you know, do my little makeup, beat my face, do my wigs or whatever, put a cute outfit on, and take some cute pics. When you post your pictures, now people say if you put a location, your pictures will do better, but I don't put locations on my pictures no more because I don't like people knowing where I'm at, because people are crazy. But I don't put locations, but I feel like if you don't care about it and you want to, put your location. You need to put hashtags, hashtag explore, hashtag baddie, hashtag quarantine, whatever. Like, you need to hashtag something, like, just hashtag, use hashtags with your pictures, period. If you can't think of nothing else, just put explore or put baddie or something like that, but you need to use hashtags. And when I post my mini tutorials, I put hashtag wig install, hashtag whatever the style is, hashtag hairstyle, hair inspo. You know, you gotta hashtag whatever the video is about. So if companies find you from a hashtag, they'll find you from a hashtag. Like, you need to use hashtags, and they help more people see your content. Even if they're not liking it, you can see it. Like, my insights are way higher than my likes. Like, my insights be like in the thousands and my likes be like in the hundreds. But that's fine. As long as you're seeing it, you help with my engagement. So you don't have to double tap. But one day you will be double tapping, period. Make sure you use the hashtags. When I first started like getting into, you know, hair and stuff like that, this is how I first started. I was watching YouTube videos on the best AliExpress hair companies. I made a video on that as well. It's gonna be in the cards right now and link down below. I was looking to see who got the best AliExpress hair. So I seen a couple. The first one I ever tried was Ali Grace. I tried Ali Grace. I did a video on it. I posted a picture. I tagged. You gotta make sure you tag the company. Like, tag the hair company that you got the hair from. Do a review. Give your honest review. Don't lie just so you can get free stuff, because that's how you don't get a loyal fan base, because they're gonna be like, this bitch a liar. Like, we ain't fucking with her. That's why I never lie. Y'all know in my reviews, I tell it how it is. Even when people send me free hair, if something I don't like about it, I say it in the video and I tell them how they can fix it and things like that, because that's what they using us for real, to see how they can make their product better for their customers. So that's how I first started out, just by ordering off AliExpress companies, doing videos on it, doing reviews, posting pictures on Instagram, tagging the company, and then eventually hair companies start DMing me, asking can they send me hair. At first, they was sending me hair, take pictures with it, and like do a YouTube video. I don't have to do a YouTube video, but you know, just do a YouTube video. I'm just doing a YouTube video because that's for me. That's to help me make more content. And that's what I was doing for a long time at first. And then I started getting paid. They started paying me to like go live on like Love Me Hair. They paid me to go live on their Instagram, talk to their customers while I'm installing the wig. They paid me to make like YouTube reviews and everything like that. So you're gonna have to start out just getting free hair and they not paying you to make no content, but that's still helping you, because when they post your content, another company might see your content and they might hit you up so you can work with them, and then another one and another one, and then they go like that. Then once you get bigger and bigger, you can start upping the prices more and more. That's all I basically did. I just post little cute pictures, make sure they nice quality, post my little Instagram tutorials, do my YouTube, and I just started getting noticed. It might sound way easier than what it is, but trust me, if you do everything I told y'all to do in this video, they will start working with you, sis. And reach out to hair companies. Make a business email. Write up an email. Oh, this is such and such manager. We want to see if you want to work with her, and send hair or product in exchange for content, review, blah, blah, promo, things like that. Just write up a little email like that. Send it out. Look on Instagram. Find companies or whatever. Find their email. Send the email out to a whole bunch of companies, and somebody will get back to you. Like, for real. That's what I did. When I reached out to companies, I got a couple replies and I got a couple deals. But most of the time, They not gonna reply to you when you reach out unless you like a big influencer or whatever. You can reach out. I did it too. Like, closed mouths don't get fed. Reach out. But if you don't get a response, don't let that discourage you, sis. Just keep pushing. Do what you gotta do. You know, you gotta spend money to make money. So if you just spending a little bit of money on some trying out these AliExpress companies when you need hair, more companies will notice you once you tag those companies and stuff like that. And I say order from companies that got like a lot of followers, so that way if they do repost you, their followers could come follow you. That is everything I did to start working with companies. I hope this helped y'all, because people always ask me, so I finally recorded. I hope it helped y'all. Take notes on what I'm saying, because it works. Like, if you just take notes on what I told you to do, go do it. I guarantee you, you'll be working with companies and you'll be getting paid. Fetty, guap, moolah. That's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at LaylaNell, period. Comment down below if this video helped you. And comment if y'all want to see the video on how I edit my pictures, because, yeah, that's a good one. But that's all I got for y'all. Bye, y'all.